BI is one of my favorite topics, so I'm excited to spend some time today covering some details about the Expense Management Analytical Workspace. Knowing what draft expenses are in the system, or being able to look back in time at your travel history, are a few of the many things you can do as an employee. Conversely, the accounts payable team can analyze data and determine if they should adjust policy, negotiate no deals for cost savings, and get insight into outstanding expenses that have yet to be paid. Prerequisites include enabling the Expense Reports Reimagined feature and refreshing the Entity Store for TRV, BI Expense Measurement, and Budget Activity Measure. From within the workspace, employees can enter in expenses or click into Personal Analytics to see their own data. We can see a number of KPIs on the left, including some reminders for unsubmitted expenses and in-progress reports that need to be finished. The middle section gives you a quick view into the status of all expense reports. The right section gives you some filters and some deeper analysis into expenses by different groupings such as cost types, merchants, and status. Accounts payable managers also have access to company-wide analytics. We have multiple pages of reporting here. The first page gives a quick insight into draft expenses that haven't been submitted for reimbursement and an overview of all up expenses by several groups, and insight into active policy violations where employees may need help. The next page gives detail into expenses by cost type and statistic groups, and visibility into personal expenses charged to corporate cards. Finally, the employee comparison page gives the accounts payable team the ability to do analysis on specific employees or compare employees to help adjust expense policies. Reporting is a key component of any business system. I'd encourage you to take a look at the new Expense Reimagined feature and evaluate if your current expense system could use an upgrade.